Discovered a TXP file in your Photoshop plugins folder and not sure what it does? These are texture plugins that extend Photoshop's filter capabilities with specialized effects. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through installing and using these Photoshop Tex-Mex plugin files. My professional advice: when standard programs fail on a tricky TXP file, you need a secret weapon, a piece of magical software. We'll cover that after we try 3 main fixes. Users encounter .txp files when installing or managing third-party plugins for Adobe Photoshop, specifically the Tex-Mex filter pack. Their primary goal is to add unique texture and pattern effects to their images, seeking to understand how to correctly place the file within Photoshop's plugin directory to activate its features. The .txp file is a compiled binary library similar to a DLL or Photoshop's native 8BF format, containing executable code and resource data. This design allows it to hook directly into Photoshop's API for efficient image data processing. The binary format protects the developer's intellectual property and ensures fast execution within the host application. The native handler for TXP files is usually Adobe Photoshop plugin from Flaming Pear software. Native Windows utilities may fail to correctly allocate memory for the file's execution. Windows cannot show what the plugin actually does, so it must be handled through supported applications. We are initiating the compatibility check. Right-click your TXP file and choose Open With. Your best bet is Adobe Photoshop plugin. Test it now. If it's unavailable, select another listed application to check its reading ability. If your TXP file still refuses to open, stay calm. We've established the file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential quick troubleshooting procedures. First, installing in Photoshop. Copy the TXP file to the Photoshop plugins folder, typically located at Program Files Adobe Photoshop Plugins, or Applications Adobe Photoshop Plugins on Mac. Restart Photoshop to register the new plugin. The Tex-Mex filter appears under the Filter menu, ready for application to your images and texture work. Next, applying texture filters. With an image open in Photoshop, navigate to Filter, then locate the Tex-Mex submenu containing the installed TXP plugin filters. Select a filter to open its parameter dialog where you can adjust texture properties, scale, and effect intensity. Preview the result and click OK to apply the texture to the active layer. Finally, troubleshooting compatibility. Verify TXP plugin compatibility with your Photoshop version, as older plugins may not work with current 64-bit releases. Check Photoshop's plugin manager under Preferences Plugins to confirm successful loading. Contact the plugin developer for updated versions if compatibility issues prevent the TXP from appearing in the filter menu. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.